Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can challenge the event, join the event and gain amazing rewards in eFootball 2024. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the mission or objective or you can challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tapping the dream team. This is the second one. Tap it and tap the first one, event. Join the event and gain amazing reward. Tap, and this is, as you can see, there are some event here that happening now, and there are some type. For example, type event here, the tour event. This is versus AI match. The challenge event versus user matches or the real player here. And also you can play the theme event, Mexican club. So you are going to challenge the event as a Mexican club. And also Spanish club, this is versus AI match and user match. And user matches, this is also theme event, Spanish club. So you are going to play as a Spanish club or La Liga versus the real player, user matches here. So please free to try challenge all event from this game so you can get ton of reward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.